from my life. You better go. Run! So, yeah, I'm more of a flats kind of guy. The only reason why I don't like sauce on my wings is because like, sorry, I'm tired. Great, I got sauce on my face. I'm a mess. Cherry, come on. That's what I gotta deal with. Who's jealous? Okay. It's the only reason why he's meowing right now. Yep. Well, you're in the show now, Jerry. You made it. You're a character now. That's it. That's it. My cat's gonna get more famous than me now. Great. How am I ever gonna surpass a cat? Oh, do I got a message? Well, I can't check it because my hands are dirty. And also my soul is dirty. You know, chicken wings are always a surprise. You know, they're always just there. Oh, now let's try some of this garlic bread. I love me some garlic, and this is a cheesy sauce. Wow. And it's so cheesy. And there's so many like different unique flavors in each bite that I take. Cheddar. Provolone. Cheddar. Oh. I'm a cheddar guy. I prefer my cheddar over any type of cheese sold in the cheese aisle at the grocery store. You know, I'm an old cheddar guy. I was born with some harsh cheeses growing up. Okay, you know, I didn't have cheese tray. Okay, because it was a waste of money for my parents. They were like, why am I going to spend all this money to get less cheese so it's individually packed? We didn't have that. They bought bricks of cheese. And me growing up, best brick, that's got to be the cheddar. Okay, and also the old cheddar, so it's got that tang. Okay, that's what I like. The best. Oh, gotta love that Raz. I was looking at the cupcake. I was looking at it. You know what? Sometimes it's good just to break it up. You know, it's like you have your salt, have a cupcake, then eat some more of this food, and then have one more cupcake, and it's like, whoa, you had 2 desserts? Yes, I did. That's how I see it as. It's healthier, right? It's better than eating. It's healthier. I think this is true. It's healthier to eat 2 cupcakes, but break them up between the meals, than having two desserts at the end of the meal at the same time. Feel like you're getting more sugar. That's what, but yeah, that's what it is. Oh yeah, I want to have a cupcake. I do. Oh, so sweet. You want to see? Oh, and it's a little ring. Did you see that? Oh my God, what will they create next? Oh my God, they put a ring in there. Well, you better put a ring on this. But look how sweet that is. Oh, that's so cute. You know, like when you're in high school, you're going to your like girlfriend's house. You bring her one of these on Valentine's Day. It's like, look, I'm getting something sweet and I'm giving something special. I'm giving you a promise ring. Yeah. Yep. I just know when I see a cream, I'm like, that's gonna be nice icing. And then sometimes you see other icing and you're like, that icing seems like it's gonna be a little bit too thick. I want something more like whippy, you know? This is what this is whippy. I'm sure that's the proper term in how I'm identifying the object that I'm eating. Yeah. I guess it's just easier to slide the food down. Oh. Best bite of 2020. So look how much cream that is compared to cake. That's gonna be an ultimate mixture exceeding beyond 9,000. Okay? And it's gonna happen right now. These are the bites that remind you of why you like eating food like this. It's gonna be like, no, you don't understand. I need to go to the grocery store right now so I can go get these cupcakes because it's Friday night. See, that one bite convinced me now to eat all 3 cupcakes. That's what I mean. Food is great. Oh. Have the sauced one. Yeah, that one is real good. Can I have that one? Yeah, that one's really good. Eat all the sauced ones. No, I don't want it. I don't want the sauced ones. You know how I feel about saucy wings. It's just a saucy mess. And I can't handle this mess no more. Okay. If you want your own show, then create your own channel. Okay. Yeah. No, get away. I don't want your saucy wing. Ugh. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say the word that everybody hates right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna say the word that's the worst word to say, probably in 2020. They're too moist. That's the word. Moist. They're too moist. Moist. Okay, moist. See, now you had that sweet, now you're like, let me have some salt.
We have one more.
Take the sauce, yeah. That cupcake took my breath away. See? That song is for everybody. Okay. The whole city can hear you.
Sorry.
They're gonna think it's me. Like, you added sound effects? 3D sound effects. For every Eat Machine Dean show created on YouTube. It's got 3-dimensional sound. You can.
Where'd I get that dip from?
Yeah. I know where, yeah, why are you doing that? Ooh, I'm not lucky. No, it doesn't work for me. I won't want it. uh, 3D sound. It's everywhere. You could feel it in your eyes. That's how intense the 3D noise is. Here on Eat Machine Dean. Tune in every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, we forgot. Now it's not going to be in the thumbnail. People won't know. Well, it's going to be a surprise. Fire Doritos. Okay. They whispered, and they said to me, they said they were spicy. Is that for me?
No.
Well, can you?
No.
I wanted some for the show.
No, later.
What do you mean later?
When do you cool down?
Huh?
When do you cool down when you're done your meal? You don't
What do you mean later?
pass it out?
Yeah.
Alright.
What do you mean later? What?
Go and put some on foot.
3 hours. This is going to be. I'm making a trilogy, you guys. A mukbang trilogy. Oh. Oh. 3 hours. See? I don't get when things need to be this hot. I don't get it. There's no flavor. Like, you have 2 chips and then the heat just destroys your tongue. And any beverage you drink besides dairy is a nightmare. Okay? I'll have 2 more and that is it. Too spicy. Way too spicy. Like, not spicy where I'm like, I'm gonna die. Just like an unnecessary amount of spice. You don't need that much. I'm sorry. Sorry for all you spice people out there who are gonna hate me. Well, I'm just being honest. That's all I ever wanted to be, was honest. Show you who I truly am. Spice. Well, I mean, I like spice too, but this is too. I just don't like. I don't enjoy my food. Too spicy. Yeah, I'm a wimp. I know it. I know it. But guess what? I'm also getting acupuncture tomorrow, so I'm also not a wimp. Okay? You try getting a single needle pushed on a nerve. Sometimes I think it's just random. I honestly believe all these people that do this acupuncture are just taking wild guesses. But, you know. Yep, that's it. That's it. Yep. I truly believe that. Yeah, so I go do that, okay? And not even the worst, but you know what they do, okay? so you'll be doing your backside first, right? And so that means like you can't see anything. They have all these needles in you, and they leave for a bit, then they come back in. They put a heat lamp on you because the heat has to go down to the needle into the nerve. It's amazing. And then, you know, without any warning whatsoever, give a little. I don't know what she was doing. Didn't see. I didn't know what. They go. I didn't see what they were doing. I didn't know that was going to happen. And it just, you're stunned. You're stunned that that little vibration took you down as a man. Made you think in your head, do I even have the capability to just like protect myself in this world? Like after that, I'm like, I'm weak. A cat can take me down at this point. Oh, I mean, it fell. Hot chips are like hot men. They burn and you want them out of your mouth as soon as possible. I've hit rock bottom! Woo! That's what happens. Now look at you.
Cheers.
Eating saucy wings with some saucy friends. Boys, friends. We're just friends. Mmm. That was amazing though. When I was 10 years old, I was in the Lion King.
Really?
Yeah. My school totally ripped it, like totally didn't pay any rights to do this show whatsoever. Because when I was that age, I was like, wait a second. How does an elementary school in a small town in Canada end up getting the rights to do the Lion King? I was like, wow, I did it. That was crazy. My school, like, if I had the video and I showed you this play, I wish I had the. They put like so much time and effort into it. Looked like the Broadway show. We had six different backdrops that would come up. One would be the sun. Okay, that's how crazy it was. And then Pride Rock was like on this like staircase thing going up, and it like on the outside it looked like Pride Rock, and then when you turned it around, it was the elephant graveyard with like elephant heads made. They made it out of like foam, and then they like glued it together. I don't know what they did, but they did it, and we had the same mask and everything. Like this show was like highly illegal, but it was amazing. And this was a Catholic school. See what I mean? I take this mukbang and stuff pretty seriously, so I'd appreciate it if you wrote down in the comments and I can't say that right ever. Just state down in the comments below what you think I should eat next. Chalupas? I don't know. Okay, bye. You can go now. You can leave.